Hey guys, welcome back to the show. Mike here. I'm glad you're along. Hope everyone's doing well and having a great day. Just thought I'd do a video here, and I bet you'd never guess that I'll be back into this. I got myself a drone. No, don't worry, this channel still always will focus on mostly cars and trucks, and occasionally I do a boat. And early on in the early years of my channel, I was doing some drones too, more of the toy ones. I recently, in the last few years, had a Spark, but I got rid of the Spark just because of the drone flying laws that are around here in Canada. You gotta have a license and all that stuff for anything that's over 250 grams. Went to see my friend at the e-recycler, and he had this up for a good price. Someone brought this in and traded for some electronics or something that he had, and he knew I might be interested, so we work a deal, and here we go. So it says here MAVIC Mini, 249 grams. So we took it all out of the box here. I'm going to have to buy a carry case for it, and I got one ordered from AliExpress for about 15 Canadian. It's all good in the hood, and we get the standard fare. Now it has a couple cables and a couple manuals in the box. We don't have to worry about that. The one thing that was interesting though is this thing has been flown before. It's used. So when I look at the box, it says DJI Mini, but when you look at the drone itself, it says Mini SE. So this is the updated model, and I believe they've released another MAVIC Mini 2 out now. So this is, it has the 2.7K camera that the guard is on, but the key feature of this, of course, is being 249, so you don't need a drone license, and you can fly this pretty much almost anywhere you want. And it works with the DJI Fly app, so you get all the great control. I'm mostly going to do my videos in 1080p, and I'm going to use them for the channel, of course. And you get the standard radio. This is not the Fly More combo. Back here is where the battery goes in. All good in the hood. This thing has been crashed. If we look underneath here, you can see it's got some crack by the screw where it holds the body together, and the odd propeller has some chips in them. As you can see here, I'll put my hand behind it, you can see some chunks taken out. But I did take it up for a few flights, and it's all good in the hood. It flies very well. Someday I will invest in a little more better props for this. I'll have to do a bit of research, but that shouldn't be a problem. So we're going to use this. We're going to do some overhead footage of when I run my cars and trucks, and especially like speed passes and stuff. We can show you a video from elevation and see how it runs, give you a better feel for the speed than just from the camera that sits on top of my hat. That's all good stuff. I'm looking forward to even taking this on vacation. It's nice and small, and some of those things too that kids ride their bikes at the park or something. You can bring this along and capture some of the fun footage when you go on a small adventure. So stay tuned for the second part of this video. I took this up. It was at my in-laws' place, and the kids were out in the back jumping on the tramp and stuff like that near orchards and grapery. So I hope you guys enjoy that footage. It's coming up right now. Hope everyone's doing well. Enjoy the video, folks, and we'll see you again soon on Mike's RC Corner. Peace out.